Army. Look at the block points of Maynila.
Oo, grabe.
Kanina pa natin yung sinasabi yan, itong block talaga nila, which kept them alive in this third set. And to push for, let's say, a bit more, and say in this game. And the errors are also, Maynila was minimized to only 5. Philippine Army towards the end had a lot of errors, and they had 4 more than Maynila.
And of course, those numbers brought to you by Maynila, the official drinking water provider of the Shakey's. And now, you would have to say that Maynila has a newfound confidence.
Oo, hindi mo masabi ngayon yan because momentum is on their side right now. But Philippine Army starting it strong here with back-to-back points this fourth set.
And I think ang naging problema ng Philippine Army nung ang dami ng errors talaga.
Yung towards the end, yung critical pa yung errors nila eh.
Rachel able to keep it alive. Free ball going to Maynilad. Mervic Mangi off speed.
Solid hit from Rachel Dakis.
And you can see in Rachel's face that she means business here in the fourth.
That's right. Masyado lang nila pinalapit kanina eh. Too close for comfort.
Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nice hit though, but good defense by Ging. Punch out from Rachel going into
the wrong side.
Maynilad court. I'm just wondering why Michelle Carolino hasn't been brought back in.
Same here, and Dolly Cruz now to serve after that offense. Akala ko nga kanina papasok towards the end of the third set, but
hindi na pinasok
na kaya naman talaga nila. They just Maynila just came in so close. Tapos yun eh, the things happen.
Talia Cruz still serving. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Thank you, Axel. O, tinasano. Iba na. Ano na talaga. Seryosohan na. Sabi ni Rachel.
Stop. Meron pa akong pupuntahan.
Look at this. May lakad pa kami.
Kala mo kung ano,
And that's a good play from Rachel, choosing Chet as the target. A much shorter blocker.
And again, the Philippine Army continuing their fight here.
That is really the case here for Maynila.
Sudden drop
yes.
Of confidence ba? Of composure?
As Coach Sacramento has said, he's wondering why the momentum
after a win.
After winning the third set, bakit yung binitawan yung momentum? Nag-drop no?
Parang they were just, tama siya they were just waiting for defense. Nandun na lang, nag-aabang na lang kung anong mangyayari, kung anong gagawin ng Army while the Army was really on the rampage.